Here are all the mistakes I made this month while trying to craft cute things. Enjoy watching me fail. I tripped on my way to the oven, and they all fell down, and I put them in to bake anyway. Well, they're best butts. Gives a new meaning to attached at the hip. I kind of like it. I convinced myself that everyone would know this is a robot cookie, and so we got a ton of these ready. It looks like the moon got chicken pox, so I thought maybe a UFO would work. It looks like unidentified flying snot. But I'm making moons now, and they're nice. I don't know how to walk, and I'm ruining everything. Sorry, guys. So I asked my husband if he can tell what these are, and he said little chickens. They're supposed to be little candles. Did I not do it right? I am gonna try and make chickens now. I could have done jelly or peanut butter, but no, I had to do chocolate. We all make choices. And here's my pan full of spiked chickens. Kinda, maybe? I did the stamp wrong, and I tried to do it again, and I made it worse. And I cracked his face by trying to fix it. I was almost finished, and it fell on the floor. I poked my finger while making pineapples. The cuteness is worth the pain. I thought something didn't feel right when I sat down.